Hi everyone, welcome to Man Devote TV, the best place to get your Excel tutorials. So in today's tutorials, I will be showing you some simple but powerful tricks to make your Excel dashboard look cleaner and more professional. So specifically today, what we'll be learning, you learn how to customize your slider. So remember last time we learned how to create a dashboard. Today I want to show you how to customize the dashboard so that it can match the background color. So I'll show you how to make your dashboard color match with the background color. We're also going to look at how to increase the number of sliders. We're also going to look at how to increase or customize our button, the sliders button, to make it more visible and better for you. So whether you are doing this in reports for your boss or you're creating it for a client facing dashboard, this trick will make your work stand out very well. Let's jump right there into it and get started. So let's get started. So this is the Excel dashboard. So you have this dashboard. Now look at, I'll show you, if you don't know how to create a dashboard like this, I'll look into the tutorial. I'll also put a link to go back. So for those of you that have not seen how we created this dashboard, can watch the previous video on that. But I have to focus on how we can customize this sliders. Look at the sliders so that I can match also with what we have on our dashboard. And we have some dashboard here, so I want to increase the number of lines. So just make a straight line. So first of all, what I want to do here now, so this is our dashboard. I want to give it the same color we have here. So what I'll do, I move to this point here. So where we have the sliders, let me just select it. So this is a slider here. This is sliders. So click on this point here. This is sliders here. So click on the slider and click on the slider to show you this aspect here. So click on the drop down, click on new sliders and click on the new sliders. You want to give it a style. So you on this side, the first thing you have is called the whole slider, which means the entire sliders, which you want to customize. You want to give it a color that will match what you are doing. So just click on format here. So you click on the format on this point here. Now the next thing you have there, you can decide to change. So the first thing you have there is a font. So I can decide to change it to font, give it another font, bolding the font. I want the font to look bold. I want to increase the size. It's a choice. You want to change the font color. It's also a choice. So it's on automatic, which is this. So let us want to give it a white color. So the next time I move is called the border. If you want to apply the border color, you can do, but we are not applying here in this case. So I just want to add the fill color. For the fill color, they already have a color here, which is the background color which you want to choose from. So look for this color. So how do I get this background color? The easiest way to do that is to get the color. So let me also go back one step. I click on this color, right click, let's get the property of the color. So click on format here. So you have your color on this point here. You want to get the property of this color which we are working with. So this is the color, this is the property of the color. So I can just copy the hexadecimal because I want you to have the same color with this one here so that I won't make any mistake. So I copy the hexadecimal. I can place it in the notepad, so once I need it I can just copy it back and bring a notepad here. So open the notepad. So I have my color here, so let me minimize this one and click on OK. Okay, so let's go back to our sliders. So let me click on this sliders. Yeah, it's a new sliders. So click on the whole, then I click on format. So the next I do here, I click on the fill. I want to change the fill color, so I say more fill color. So customize, apply this you have copy here, the hexadecimal. So just paste it here and click OK. And I have the same background color now. You can see. So what I'm showing is how to change so that I can have the same match color with the background here. Okay, good. So I have the same background color. So we have a black text format. So let me use my font. Let me see. Let me change the color to white, bold. So okay. So this is how it will look like. So the next thing I want to do is the heading. So I click on this heading. I want to give it an heading color. I would like it to have a black heading. I can just decide to just leave it that way. So you can also come back to customize it. So let's see what we have gotten already. So just click on OK. I click on OK. So this is slicer here. So click. You can see that I now have the same background color with my slicer. So I want to make it a slicer because of this filter that is here. You get that. So if you want to also add anything, just right click on it. If you want to edit it after you have done this, just click on modify. So when you click on the modify, I want to add an heading to it, heading format. So just click here. Let me give my heading fee. Click on the fee and let me give it a black fee and the white text already. Think white text. Okay, let me give the white text and let me bold it. So just click on OK. Okay, so this is how to show. So it's very simple trick and okay. So you can see now. So I have a black background and a fish. I can add the same thing now. Just click on this ones now. Add the same. So now you can see that my dashboard is now looking more professional than it was before now. So it has the background color with it. So this is how you change the background color to match up with everything instead of having an odd color in between your background color. So it's very simple trick and to use to change that. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to expand. Let's assume that I want to put this into a straight line. I don't want to be in vertically line. I want it to be in horizontal line this way. So what I'll do, I'll click on my slicers so I can increase the column. So we have just 3 items. So I just increase 1 and 2 and 3. So I have to just increase the column to 3 column. So that everything will just be on a straight line. So increase, good. So I just place this now in just a straight line so that once I can see I can filter, so I can click on the laptop. Says already I've shown us how to connect our filter. So this is how you create a professional dashboard. You can filter, you can see. So if I'm clicking it, everything changes. So that's how you create interactive dashboard. I can also do the same thing for these two. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I can just come to this side. So this is where I'm clicking now, so that we won't make any mistake. Just click on. Let me highlight it so that you're able to see it very well. So let me highlight where I'm clicking. So this is where I'm clicking here now. So click on this point here. So that's where you have your column. So just increase the size. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 of them. So I click on 4. Expand it. Good. So this is how you create column. So instead of making it just you can create a column to match whatever you're doing. So I can do the same thing to this one too. I just add just 2 columns so that I don't need to scroll much. Understand? Let me see 3. So instead of scrolling to look for my filter, that's very long. You can make everything look interactive. So just increase to the same length. Take it up. You can take this one off and bring this one down. That depends on how you want the column to look like. Okay. Good. So you can customize your structure, your layout I want to position at any time. You can construct it, you can reposition. You get your result what you want. You just have to play it's what you are doing. So let me reposition this one too. Let me just take it a little bit. Okay, good. So if I want to increase the height, so let's assume that I want to increase the height of this table here. I want to I've also shown how to create an icon. I want to increase the height. So on your sliders, click on the slider. So still on this side below it, this is the height. I want to increase the height. You can increase the height from this point here. You can see it increasing. You want to increase the width. So like for example, like this one now, I can increase the height. So this is the height. You can reduce it. And see that I'm less than this. So it depends on what you actually want to achieve. You can play with your tools. Good. So you can see I can just adjusted the height from this one to also if you want to increase the width of your this, you can increase the width. This is the width. Can you see that? You can set aside to reduce the width of it. Depends on what you want to achieve. Now we have height for the size. So I want to increase the size of my this thing, can increase and decrease how you want it to look like. So this is just what is there. So with this now you're able to create. So this is just a simple and powerful trick that makes your Excel dashboard stands out. So whenever you are creating a dashboard, this very powerful tools will make your Excel dashboard stand out. I believe you get some value from this, so you can like our video, kindly share, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell on the dashboard button. You find value from this which I'm just showing just now. Also, we have our online class for June, the month of June, going on for data analysis with Excel, data analysis with Power BI, data analysis with SQL. So if you want to become a professional data analyst, kindly click on the link below to register. See you there. And that is it for today for slicer styling tips. I believe you get some good knowledge from us. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscription button for more Excel dashboard trick and visualization tips. And get any questions or want to see more advanced customization, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.